What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to upscale images that you generate on Midjourney. So Midjourney, as you know, is a popular image generation platform based on prompts that you enter, and the latest Midjourney model, or the model of the generator on Midjourney, that's the version 5, produces high quality images already. So if you generated like multiple images and you need to upscale one or more of them, upscaling means that you like this image and you want to get like a higher resolution with more details and emphasis on details of this image. So when you generate an image, you have under the image, so U1, U2, U3, U4 buttons, and clicking on one of them will upscale this image, meaning it'll open this image in like a new pop-up window, and it will further enhance the details of the image to get a more or a higher quality image from this generation. So that's how you upscale images on Midjourney, the image that you generate on Midjourney platform.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.